Start. Hello students, welcome you all in mathematics lecture series. In previous lecture, we have started discuss about similarity, in which we have discussed about the ratio of area of triangles. We have solved few examples based on that, in which ratio is the area of triangle and their ratio are proportional to the product of base into height. When height is equal, they are in proportion with base. When base is equal, they are in proportion with height. And based on that, few examples we have solved in previous lecture. We will solve one more example based on that from practice set 1.1. The accompanying figure is given. The accompanying figure AP is perpendicular to BC. AD is parallel to BC. Then find area of triangle BC and area of triangle BC. Okay, the figure is given, and we have to find out the ratio of area of triangle ABC. First of all, I will highlight the area of triangle ABC. This is the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle BCD. Okay, here if we consider that BC as a base, the BC is the base, and AP is the height, then for area of triangle, for area of triangle ABC equal to BC into AP, while area of triangle BCD equal to BC into AP. By ratio proportion of area of triangle, base is common, that is given, that is BC. Height is, as the lines are parallel, these two lines are parallel, means the height between them are equal because line is parallel. So AP is the height which is common between triangle ABC and CBD. This is the common height AP for both the triangle ABC as well as CBD. Therefore, AP is the height. We know the formula. area of triangle ABC equal to BC into AP. Here it is ratio. Now BC is common. Okay, AP is also common. Therefore, BC cancel, AP cancel. Area of triangle equal to 1 by 4. This is the final answer. Okay, very simple example. Three type of example. Either base is common. Whatever diagram is given, we have to properly identify the diagram. When area of triangle and the ratio we have to find out. That time we have to focus on different points. First point is check whether the area is common, whether base is common. Second, the base is common, they are in proportion of height. Second, check whether height is common or not. If the height is common, they are in proportion with base. If both are not common, then base into height. That product should be considered for conclusion. Okay. Very simple example. Moving towards next theorem, that is basic proportionality theorem. The name of theorem is basic proportionality theorem. So, according to that theorem, what is the statement of the theorem? If a line is parallel to a side of angle, intersect the remaining sides in two distinct points, then the line divides that side in same proportion. What is the statement? If a line parallel to a side of triangle, intersect the remaining side in two distinct points, then the line divides the side in the same proportion. So, according to that, we will draw a diagram. A triangle is given. In that triangle, a line parallel to a side. We will draw a one line which is parallel to a side. Suppose ABC is a triangle. Line here is parallel to the side, which intersect line AB at point P, and here on line AC at point M. PM. म्हणजे जे आपण लाइन ड्रॉ केलेली आहे जी BC ला कशी आहे parallel, that line here is parallel to BC, which intersect on AB at point P, on AC at point M, according to the statement. Because again, the line parallel to side of triangle intersect the remaining side into distinct point. Then that line divide the side in same proportion. म्हणजे ती एका proportion मध्ये divide करते. म्हणजे according to that we have to prove AP upon PB equal to AM upon MC. Okay, this is the simple theorem. If a line parallel to a side of a triangle intersect the remaining two sides at a particular point, then that line divides at two sides in a same proportion according to the basic proportionality. We have to do that AP upon PB is equal to AM upon MC. Okay, now how to prove that? बघा कसं आपण सोल्व करणार आहोत. For that we will focus on construction. Suppose I will connect M and B. So there are two triangles. First is APM, is which triangle? MPB, that is second triangles. In these triangles, if we observe regarding APM, suppose this is the base, this is the height for first triangle. Similarly, for second triangle, this is the base and this is the height. That means PM is the height, which is common for both the triangles. We know that when height is common, the area of triangle, APM and area of triangle MPB. BPN of three. Okay. MPB that is equal to AP upon PB, because height is equal, which is given, which is the PM, that is common height. So therefore, the height is equal, they are in proportion to the base. Now, similarly, we can draw a second line connecting to P and C. So this is triangle number first, and this is triangle number third. Similar to that, here also this is base, this is height, this is the base, this is height. Height is common, which is PM. Therefore, area of triangle APM, area of triangle area of triangle APM upon area of triangle PMC is equal to proportion of base, that is AM upon AC, because that height are equal. When we say height is equal, that means they are in proportion to the base. Base चले proportion में आता है. Now this is suppose equation number second. This is equation number first. I will write this equation in on second page. Equation number second page will be for this area of triangle APM upon area of triangle MPB. Area of triangle MPB equal to AP upon PB. Here, this is suppose equation number 1. Here APM is common. Now area of triangle PMC and area of triangle MPB बघूया तुम्ही कसे PMC आणि MPB बघा. This is PMB and PMC. Okay. In this, and this line is parallel, that is L. So this is the common height between these two triangles. Means height is equal. Okay. कुठे triangle म्हणतो मी तुम्हाला समजून घ्या. Which triangle म्हणतो आपण? In which triangle? In triangle MPB. MPB. That is triangle number second. And second is PMC. In that height is common and base is common. That is PM for both. PM is the base for both the triangles. Means in this diagram, this is the base. Here is the base. Here is the base. Okay, the base is a common, and as the lines are parallel, means height is also common. As lines are parallel, means height equal. Height is equal. Base common है, height common है. That means we can say that area of triangle PMC is equal to area of triangle MPB. Area of triangle PMC equal to area of triangle MPB. Okay. So in equation 1 and 2, APM is common. PMC, MPB, both are equal. That means we can say that LHS is equal, so RHS equal. That means AM upon AC is equal to AP upon PB. AP upon because the AP upon PB, AM upon MC. So is that is AM upon PB put PB. AP upon PB was first angle and AM upon AC was AM upon AC. So is the AM upon AC ने रख दे MCE दिया होगा AM upon MC को आप क्या दे ये दोनों मतलब ये दोनों इक्वल होते हैं ये दोनों ट्रायंगल मध्ये बेस कॉमन था हाइट कॉमन त्यामुळे AM upon MC च्या प्रोपोर्शन मिळते therefore लास्ट ला राहील AM upon MC. That is law is true. म्हणजे काय for a triangle if the line is drawn parallel to one side which intersect other two lines in a particular point, then that line divides that side in same proportion. That is nothing but a theorem of basic proportionality theorem. Now this is a simple theorem which is called as basic proportion theorem. काय सांगतो आपल्याला की पर्टिक्युलरली कुठलाही आपण ट्रायंगल जर घेतला तुम्हाला थेरम माहिती पाहिजे त्याच्यावरती जर एक्झाम मध्ये क्वेश्चन विचारला तर तो क्वेश्चन असेल 4 मार्क साठी प्रूव्ह दॅट टू द बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनॅलिटी थेरम सिंपल क्वेश्चन द विचार असं काय जाईल प्रूव्ह बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनॅलिटी थेरम किंवा if the line is parallel to a side of triangle intersect the remaining sides into distinct point then prove that line divides the side in same proportion. म्हणजे तुम्हाला आमचं किती स्टेटमेंट आहे बेसिक प्रोपोर्शन थेरमचं जे मेन्शन केलेलं असेल एक तर कसा प्रश्न विचारतील सिंपल बेसिक प्रोपोर्शन थेरम एक्सप्लेन करा एक्सप्लेन द बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनॅलिटी थेरम या फिर if the line is parallel to one side intersect that remain two sides at a particular point then that line divides that two sides in a particular proportion. असा प्रश्न विचारू शकतो किंवा अजून सिंपल काय त्याचे ऍप्लिकेशन म्हणजे एक एक्झाम्पल दिलं असेल त्यामध्ये जे प्रोपोर्शन मध्ये दिलेले आहेत त्यात 4 पॉइंट असतील त्यात 3 पॉइंट तुम्हाला दिलेले असतील चौथा पॉइंट तुम्हाला विचारतील ते कसं आपल्याला ते तुम्हाला एक्झाम्पल घेऊन सांगेल त्याने तुम्हाला समजेल हा तुमचा बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनॅलिटी थेरम आता बघूया आपण कॉन्व्हर्स ऑफ बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनॅलिटी थेरम कॉन्व्हर्स ऑफ बेसिक कॉन्व्हर्स ऑफ बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनॅलिटी थेरम कॉन्व्हर्स म्हणजे काय जे आपण मगाशी एक्सप्लेन केला आहे बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनॅलिटी थेरम त्याच्या एक्झॅक्टली अपोजिट म्हणजे काय if a line divides a triangle in the same ratio, then that line is a triangle. म्हणजे काय होतं, जर आपण ट्रायंगलच्या कुठल्या तरी साइडला पॅरल लाईन काढली तर ती रिमेन टू साइडला एका प्रपोर्शन मध्ये डिवाइड करते, तो प्रपोर्शन मध्ये इंटरसेक्ट करते. हा तुमचा थेरम. ज्यामध्ये काय, जर पर्टिक्युलर लाईन ट्रायंगलच्या दोन साइडला डिवाइड करत असेल प्रपोर्शन मध्ये, तर ती लाईन तिसऱ्या साइडला कशी. आता बघा, मी बेसिक प्रपोर्शन पहिले दोघांचा फरक सांगतोय. बेसिक प्रपोर्शन थेरम आणि त्याचा कॉन्व्हर्स दोघांचा फरक पहिले समजून घ्या. बेसिक प्रपोर्शन थेरम काय सांगतोय, एक ट्रायंगल आहे. सपोज one triangle is given. In that triangle, if one line is drawn parallel to a third line, any line, then if that line divides in a particular proportion, that means AP upon PB equal to AM upon MC, then it is possible when line is parallel to third line. Then these two lines जे आहे proportion मध्ये काय होते, डिवाइड करते. याच्या एक्झॅक्टली अपोजिट काय सांगतोय, जर एका पर्टिक्युलर ट्रायंगल मध्ये आपण एक लाईन ड्रॉ केली आणि ती लाईन जर ज्या दोन साइडला, सपोज साइड नंबर 1, साइड सेकंड, साइड थर्ड, मी काय केलं, एक लाईन ड्रॉ केली जी सेकंड लाईनच्या फर्स्ट आणि थर्ड लाईनला ती ब्रेक करते. कशी त्याला कशी डिवाइड करते, इन अ प्रोपोर्शन डिवाइड करते. म्हणजे ती फर्स्ट लाईन आणि थर्ड लाईनला आपण जी लाईन ड्रॉ केलेली, जी आपण डॉट मध्ये दाखवलेली, ती लाईन काय करते, फर्स्ट आणि थर्डला जर प्रोपोर्शन मध्ये डिवाइड असेल, समजा सपोज दिस इज पी क्यू आर, दिस इज एम अँड एन, आणि आपण लाईन ड्रॉ केली, लाईन सपोज दिस इज एल, देन पी एम अपॉन एम क्यू इक्वल टू पी एन अपॉन एन आर जर असेल, if then L is parallel to PR. L is parallel to PR. This is called as converse of basic proportionality theorem. Now we will discuss. We will prove that theorem, converse of basic proportionality theorem. We will do a converse of basic proportion theorem. Suppose this is a triangle. This one line which divides. This is triangle M N P, which divides by line L. And according to the theorem, if the line divides any two sides in the same ratio, म्हणजे काय, according to theorem, if MA upon AN equal to MB upon BP in same proportion. If the line divides any two sides of triangle in the same ratio, then we have to prove that L equal to, sorry, L is parallel to L is parallel to L. Okay, we have to prove that. Now, how to prove that L is parallel to NP? Suppose we will consider that line is not parallel. Means when we say that line is not parallel, we will draw one line which is parallel. Suppose we draw a line parallel which intersect on MP at point D. Therefore, according to basic proportion theorem, MA upon MA upon AN equal to MD upon DP. MD upon DP. Therefore, comparing equation number, suppose this is equation number second. Comparing equation 1 and 2, we will get this is MA upon AN, MA upon AN is a equal. That means LHS is equal. Therefore, MD upon BP equal to MD upon DP. Adding 1 to both the sides, MD upon BP plus 1 and MD upon DP plus 1. Therefore, multiplying both sides by 1 divided by 1, multiplying by MDP, we will get MD plus BP upon BP equal to MD plus DP upon DP. Okay, so MB plus BP, MB plus BP means MP. MB plus BP equal to MP, that is MP upon BP, and MD plus DP, MD plus DP equal to MD plus DP equal to MP upon DP. Here MP equal, that means BP equal to DP, which proves that B and D, which prove that B and D are not different, but they are same. That means L equal to NP. Means line L equal to N. L is parallel to NP. L is parallel to NP according to proportionality theorem. L is parallel to NP. That is converse of law of proportion theorem. समजते? ते सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट होती. प्रॉपर्टी थ्योरम समजला. त्याचा यूज करून काय केलं? कॉन्वर्स ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी थ्योरम सॉल्व केला. तो आपण कसं केला? बाय इनडायरेक्ट मेथड. म्हणजे काय होतं की एका ट्रायंगल मध्ये आपण एक लाईन ड्रॉ केली. ती लाईन जर तो दोन साइडला एका प्रॉपोर्शन मध्ये डिवाइड असेल तर ती लाईन पॅरलल असेल असं आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं होतं. आपल्याला माहिती होतं ती लाईन कशी प्रपोर्शन मध्ये डिवाइड करते. आपल्याला काय प्रूव्ह करायचं? ती लाईन पॅरलल आहे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं. आता म्हणलं समजा ती लाईन पॅरलल नाही असं आपण मानलं म्हणजे आपण काय केलं? इनडायरेक्ट मेथडने आपण तो एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व केलं. लाईन पॅरलल नाही मग आपण काय केलं? एक दुसरी लाईन ड्रॉ केली जी कशी पॅरलल समजली. त्या आपल्याला कोणती काढली? दॅट लाईन इज AD जी पॅरलल आपण कन्सिडर केली. अकॉर्डिंग टू प्रोपोर्शन थेरम द लाईन जर पॅरलल असेल तर काय करायची? टू साइडला प्रोपोर्शन मध्ये डिवाइड करायची. म्हणून MA अपॉन AN इक्वल टू MD अपॉन DB या पॉइंट काय झाली? प्रोपोर्शन मध्ये डिवाइड करायचं. अकॉर्डिंग टू बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनॅलिटी थेरम हा आपला इथे आपण वापरला बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनॅलिटी थेरम आपण इथे वापरलेला आहे. आणि मग आपण दोघं कंपेअर करून प्रूव्ह केलं की B आणि D हे दोन्ही पॉइंट डिफरंट नसून दोन्ही पॉइंट एकच आहेत. अँड दोन्ही पॉइंट एक असल्यामुळे जर प्रोपोर्शन मध्ये डिवाइड करते म्हणजे ती लाईन कशी पॅरलल. L is parallel to NP because both points are not different but they are same, and because of that L is parallel to NP. That is verified. Okay, based on that we will solve few examples in next lecture. तो पर्यंत प्रॅक्टिस करा आणि काही डाऊट असेल तर कमेंट करा. ओके, थँक यू स्टुडंट्स.